Okay, so I got a couple of pieces of rock that we are going to go ahead. I got my earmuffs on. We're going to go ahead and polish and see what they look like polished up. And these are some agates. So we'll kind of show them and then we'll get started on the sanding and that. I'm just going to show you periodically in the sanding so you can kind of see the progression of what we're doing. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, this is what they look like now. Try to get it in focus there. I'm gonna tap on it so that it knows there's where the focus is. There's the other piece right there. And we're gonna start out with the grinder first. I'm gonna kind of show you it. Okay, let's go ahead and get it marked and get started. This is after the 50 grit. Here's this one after the 50 grit. Alright, I just completed the 3500. Let's get it in focus here. There we go. I just completed the 3500 on these. See that? Okay. Come on over here. This one's starting to shine up a little bit. Still not going to be anything like the other one. But now we're going to go to 8,500 and then finally 13,000. So let's keep it going. All right, we just finished the 8,500 on these two pieces of rock. So let's take a look and see how they're looking. All right, now we have 13,000, so let's get that done and we're finished.